Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to know if someone has added you on Telegram. This popular messaging app offers several features that can help you determine if someone has saved your contact. Let's go through the steps you can take to find out. First, check your direct messages. When someone adds you on Telegram, you might receive a notification or even a welcome message from them. This is the easiest way to know someone has added you. If you see a message, you're good to go. Next, let's search by username. Open Telegram and head to the Contacts tab. Use the search bar at the top to type in the username of the person you suspect has added you. If their profile appears in the search results, it means they've added you to their contacts. This method is quick and straightforward, giving you a clear indication of their connection to you. Another useful feature is the QR code. If someone sends you their QR code to add them, you can scan it to see their profile. If they've shared their QR code with you, it's likely that they've added you as well. This is a modern way to connect, making it easier to exchange contacts. By following these steps, you can easily determine if someone has added you on Telegram. It's always nice to know who's interested in connecting with you, especially on a platform designed for communication.